In this video, we'll take a look at the map editor tools in Geospace software. To enter map editor mode, create a map editor view. Now you can select any of the maps in the data manager for editing. The map editor tools include several basic options, such as smoothing an area, removing grid values, and adding or subtracting values from a grid. For example, let's look at how the peak remover works. But it also has one special sophisticated feature, a fault drawing tool. This is quite a common problem when you have a map, but for some reason you don't have any faults, and this may cause isolines to behave weird. For this case, we have a tool that allows you to draw a fault on the finished map. Just draw a line where you believe the fault should be. Complete the fault polygon by double-clicking and draw another one. Once you're done, go to the context menu and select Save as New if you want to save the original map. You can also save the drawn polygons as a polygon set in the data manager. Geospace redraws the map in the selected area around the polygons, giving you more accurate edges near the fault. There were a few words about the Geospace map editing tools. For more information or to download your evaluation copy of Geospace, please visit us at geomage.com.